Lived an old dwarf, the king of Mordor. He wanted to be the ruler of the world, his nickname was Moth. His sensors and guards shouted that they were a great kingdom, that all around were enemies, and only Mordor was the best place. He ate from golden plates and took a shit in a golden toilet. Those who disliked the king could throw him in prison or kill him. An evil dwarf king sits on the throne. The people dislike him, they call him Moth. He wants to be great, but the people fear him, and so the dwarf lives in an underground bunker. King sits on the throne. The people dislike him, they call him Moth. He wants to be great, but the people fear him, and so the dwarf lives in an underground bunker. King sits on the throne. The people dislike him, they call him Moth. He wants to be great, but the people fear him, and so the dwarf lives in an underground bunker. This is the Black Macintosh crew, punks hoy. Black Macintosh. Oh, why? The evil dwarf didn't want to give up his throne. He gathered his entire army and began to fight another kingdom. Many disliked the evil old man in Mordor. They were caught by the gods and publicly executed. The evil, violent old dwarf king. He was very cowardly. His nickname was Moth. An evil dwarf king sits on the throne. The people dislike him, they call him Moth. He wants to be great, but the people fear him, and so the dwarf lives in an underground bunker. An evil dwarf king sits on the throne. The people dislike him, they call him Moth. He wants to be great, but the people fear him, and so the dwarf lives in an underground bunker. An evil dwarf king sits on the throne. The people dislike him, they call him Moth. He wants to be great, but the people fear him, and so the dwarf lives in an underground bunker. An evil dwarf king sits on the throne. The people dislike him, they call him Moth. He wants to be great, but the people fear him, and so the dwarf